अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम कि मैंने म्यूज़िक वीडियो शूट किया. इसमें आप लोग ने पूरा वीडियो नहीं देखा जो थोड़ा बहुत दिखाया गया था. एक्चुअली म्यूज़िक वीडियो में काफ़ी डांस भी है. तो आई थिंक दे एडिटेड इट रियली वेल एंड दे put it very well together, and it was a great experience. Absolutely wonderful shooting for it.
Which is that one film amongst all films you've done where you still see it and you say, wow.
Really well. So I like that look a lot.
Colored hair, you cannot use any kind of a medicated shampoo like a Head and Shoulder or any other product. So could you please suggest if somebody has colored hair and at the same time has a dandruff, so will Head and Shoulder still work? Because it's usually said technically medicated shampoo strip off the color very fast compared to any other normal or specialized after color shampoo. So would you still suggest the person who's colored the hair and still has a dandruff can still use Head and Shoulder?
Yeah, actually that's a good question, and it's one I get a lot. And so we have done some testing on Head and Shoulders to find out what effect it has on coloured hair, and we found that it doesn't strip the colour. It's going to be as mild on coloured hair as any shampoo. It's going to be parity. So really you can confidently use Head and Shoulders if you've got coloured hair and if you've got dandruff.
That, or could you tell us about the films at least? Could you tell us about your film? I mean, Tashan, that's coming up. How is it shaping up? And
actually, it's going to release in April, so there's still a lot of time. We're still shooting for the film. Work is still in progress on it. I'm sure people will enjoy that movie as well.
different role from what you have done earlier. I mean, what kind of a role is this?
Every film that probably will release of mine will be different from what I've done before. That's for sure.
All right, thank you, Kareena, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being a wonderful audience.